Hello everyone, very warm welcome. I am Richa from Cambridge Montessori Preschool, Thane. So today I am here to show you a new activity, and today's session I am going to show you that thing which I am sure each and every child love to work with it. That is clay. The moment you will say the name clay, they all get excited and ever ready to play with it. So today in our activity we are using clay. So first of all we have to take some clay and tell them to roll it. In spite if you don't have clay at home, no worries, you can use any type of atta dough and make it little tight, so it will work like a clay. To add some colors in it, yes, of course, we can use our household things. Like to make yellow color, we can add haldi. To make green color, we can add palak puree, or else if you want to make red color also, so you can add little bit of beetroot. So that will give color and make that atta dough little attractive towards our kids. So first of all, we will make a little part of clay and we'll tell them to make a roti. Like I am taking this, I have this small toy roller pin, so they can use it and they have to roll it in a roti shape or any other shape. No need to be a circle, exact circle. It could be in any shape. I'm sure they will enjoy making roti with the clay. Okay. So like this, I have already made few of them. Yeah. So today we are going to make some different patterns on it. Okay. So I am going to show you some different type of patterns. Just a second. Okay, see this. So I draw some patterns which they use when they write their alphabets. So this is standing lines, this is sleeping lines, these are right side slanting line, left slanting line, and with the help of slanting line, right and left, I have made these zigzags. It's a sleeping line zigzag and this is a standing shape zigzag. As you can see, these are the curves. These are also curves, U curve. And with the help of these two curves, we made circles. And these are waves. So these are the different patterns. So what we have to do, we have to take any toothpick if you have, or you can take a earbud. You have to cut it from one side, or we can also use an unused pen which is not in a working condition. We can use that pen also. So what we have to do with it, we have to make our patterns on this clay roti like this. We have to do practice. If you can see that, I have made few standing lines. Now I will make some sleeping lines on it. In the same manner, we have to practice. First of all, we have to practice all the patterns in this clay or our atta dough, chapati. Like we are making curve on it. So again and again they have to practice making these patterns. Once they are done with this, so you can also increase the level of doing this. They can do a mixture of few lines like standing line or sleeping line. Like they can make one sleeping line, then continuing with the same sleeping line, they have to make one standing line, then one sleeping line, then standing line, then again sleeping line. You can see this. So this is also a new pattern. And the similar way we can use our curves. They have to make C curve first. Adjoining we have to make D curve, and then again we have to make C curve. So in that manner, see, you can see that I have made this curves, but I adjoin them and continuously I am making this. So this is creating a new pattern. So through these patterns, once they will finish all the pattern practice, they have to create new different patterns with it. Okay, the zigzag line also we have to make it with the help of different types of slanting lines. Like this. So many more different type of patterns we can create with this, and because we are doing this with clay, so I'm sure children will enjoy this activity, and again they would like to do it. So thank you so much everyone. Hope these children will love to play with it, and they will like to play with clay and make some more things. Like they can use this clay and make patterns like this. They have to roll it and they have to make patterns with this, like this. Or if they want to make a curve, they have to give a shape to it. So this is also a way to play with this. Definitely these exercise, these things, playing with clay and putting pressure with anything using like a pencil on clay will increase their muscles of their fingers. It will help them to grow properly, and they will able to write with pencils very easily in their coming classes. Thank you so much everyone. Hope everyone will like this activity, and we'll see you again in next session.